Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my last video using the products of Shiny Silver Treasures new release, Nature's Treasures, I inadvertently said it was released in April. Well, of course, that was Nature's Treasures, and the release is actually on the 1st of July. There will be a link in the description box to her Etsy shop where you can buy any of the products that I'm showing you today, plus a list of all the people on the design team, so you might like to go over to their channels to get some inspiration from them as well. So in my last video we made these two cards using the Z fold technique and the toppers, the topper pack. So I'd like to continue with two more cards of this style, and then in the next video we'll play with just some sort of ordinary blank cards. So I thought we could use these two today, and let's have a look and see what we can put. So I like this one on here, quite like that one. I like them all. My problem is I like them all. It's not a problem, but these are a bit small for this size of card. Let's have a look at this one. This one, oh, that's nice, isn't it? Create and bloom. But I might do what I did before and just give a border. I'm just going to see what does that look nice with the gold. Oh, I've got a pink one here. Actually, that might be quite nice, mightn't it? I think I'm going to use this for this one, and let's have a look at this one. So I think the gold, oh, I've got this. This might be nice. That is nice. I wonder whether it would look better on here, and whether this would look okay on here. Like this and there. See what else we've got. That's quite nice. What else have I got? Oh, I've got this one, which isn't quite so pink. I think that's nice. Make decision. Let's have a look at the silver, the trusty silver. Of course, the silver does go very nicely, I think. About if we did something like this, would that look nice? I think that could be quite nice. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do with this one. So, right, let's start with the other card first. Start with this one first. So I'm just going to stick this in the middle of that blue shape. So I don't know about you, but when I make cards I always have my bits and pieces around me, because you never know when you can use up a scrap, and I love using up scraps. I've got so many but you know, I think it's going to take me a lifetime to use them up, but if we don't use them up, they just accumulate, don't they? So where's my acrylic block? Yeah, just going to use this just to, and then I'll just wipe off the glue from there, and I'm just going to glue this down halfway like I did before. This way the image will be in the center of the card when it's closed. So it's that, and I'm thinking it might be nice to have something here. Now I am, as I said in my previous video, I am away at the moment, so just wondering, got some little white flowers here, whether these might look nice. What else have I got? Oh, I've got some pinky ones, and I don't like that. It's very hard to be decisive sometimes, isn't it? But it's very important to not to. I've got some white leaves. Let's see what these look like. I think I could use these at the top, and then do something like that at the top. I don't know whether to have a third one in the middle, maybe something like that. And then down here I could have a sentiment, or I could just put some, I'm just going to try, just put some, that one doesn't show up. I've just got some white ones, maybe put some white pearls and put gems, and then put these gems inside there. Would that look nice? I think that's quite pleasing to the eye, and this has actually got a sentiment which says friendships bloom together, so I'm not sure that I need to put another sentiment. Don't think I'm going to do that. Let's be decisive. So to pick this up, just give it a squirt of glue. Try and put these at different angles, because I think, you know, otherwise it looks a bit. And I'm going to put a blue gem in the middle, like so. Yeah. And then this one, put the leaf down here. And the flower top, and got another blue gem here. There we go. And then, so this is the third release that Dawn has done. She started in January releasing her own makes, and I have to say that everything is so beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, and so easy to work with. If you don't know Dawn, do go over and look at her YouTube. She is the most inspirational crafter that I know. She puts a video up absolutely every single day, and she does amazing things. She's actually an amazing crafter, and it's a great pleasure really to be able to be on her design team. Now I've just remembered I've got somewhere some of these might look nice, or maybe I don't need anything else. Pink ones, no, I think because I've got that up there, maybe I'm just going to put a butterfly, one of the butterflies here in the corner, yeah, like that. So I'll just put that there, and I might put a little gemmy on it. That's what colours have I got here? Purple. Let's see if I can put a little gem or two on the butterfly. Yeah, I think so. I think that's what I'm going to do. Just give the butterfly a body. So 1, 2, 3. There we go. So that's the first one. Quite happy with that, and that's how it will open. So let's move that to the side, and let's get on with the second one, which was this one. And I found a piece of silver card which is absolutely the right size for that. I'm not sure whether I'm going to use this. I'm just thinking of putting it Am I going to use it? Am I not going to use it? That is the question. Or maybe I will use it. Let's see what this measurement is. Oops. So this measures 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. So if I make this, and this measures 3 3/4 by just under 3 3/4. Okay, so if I make this 3 1/2 square, that should be perfect. So there we go. So I'm going to stick this on here and this on here, like so. Yep, I think that will work. So just put plenty of glue around the edge, put it in the middle. Just stick this on here. And then again. Stick that on here. Like so. And then stick this on here. So just half the left half of the embellishment, otherwise we won't be able to open the card. So that's that, and there we are. So now to see whether I want anything else. I don't think I pulled out anything else, did I, for this one? Let's see what we've got. Got these nice hearts which say family. Or I've got these cogs. I don't know whether these would look nice. Don't know, what do you think? I'm not sure. Could go for another butterfly. Could put 2 butterflies, or see what else I've got here. If I was at home, I would use some of Dawn's Floral Treasures, I think, to finish this card off, because these elements have been made with the Floral Treasures, and I think they would really go very well. I think this is too big. Right. Okay. If we just put one up there. I think I'm just going to put one up there, one butterfly up there, like that. And then I'm going to put some gems. I'll put 3 gems here. 1, 2, 3. The thing is, I haven't decided what colour. That wasn't very clever, was it? Let's see what we've got. These are pink. I wonder what they look like. Well, pink should be alright, because I've got pink in the card, haven't I? Pink. And pink. So something like that. And just a couple up here as well. 1, 2, and 3. There we are. So again, 2 very simple cards, really. The papers and the toppers really speak for themselves. So you don't need to do an awful lot with the cards to create beautiful pieces. So as I said at the beginning, I will be listing below the all the people who are involved in the design team for Dawn, plus the link to her Etsy shop where you can go over and buy these products, and also some of her previous collections are still available, and well worth, I can say they're well worth using. They're so versatile and you get so much out of them, really. You can create loads with them. I mean, we've created 4 beautiful cards and I've hardly used anything. So yeah, so anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again in my next video. Bye for now.